Morning, guys. How are you all? Hey, did you buy a protractor? You guys buy a protractor? Did you guys get a protractor?
Good morning, Miss Priya.
Very good morning, Sri Mitran. I missed that. I'm glad we spoke about the good morning. How are you, Akshara?
Good.
Good. Okay. Did you get the books?
Yeah, I got the book.
Oh, that's nice. Did you start? Okay, you're going to start working on it seriously this week. Did you do the homework?
Um, I did finish.
You didn't finish it, but you started it.
Yeah.
Good morning, Aru. Good morning, Vihan.
Priya, I finished like two of the test things, but there's like one more that I didn't finish.
Oh, that is nice, Anjali. Good to know, Anjali. Slowly you keep up, okay? It will take some time for you, right?
Yeah.
I'm absolutely fine with it. But keep doing, okay? Keep doing and keep me posted on what you finished. Hi,
Okay.
Kripa, how are you?
Good, Auntie. How are you?
Good, ma. Okay, I'm waiting for Isha. Shankari, good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Okay. Shall we start doing the mental math that we were doing last year?
Yeah.
Shall I give you some assignments on that?
Yeah.
Just additional assignments, okay, for you to keep up with your number sense, number meaning the way you play with numbers. I'll keep doing that, okay? But definitely keep practicing. It's not like to test you or anything, okay? Just keep practicing and think of ways to quickly do things. Okay, we'll start that, okay? Sometime next week or so, we'll start that. Shall I go ahead? Hi, Adya, good morning. Hi, Isha, good morning. Can we go ahead? Hi,
Hello.
Adya. Shall we go ahead, ma? Aru is not at all seen. Aru and Keshav is not at all seen. We can go ahead. Aru is there. Good job, Aru. Good job, Keshav. Can I go ahead, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Keshav, was the homework okay to do? Was the homework doable, Keshav?
Huh?
Was the homework doable?
What?
Was the homework doable?
Yeah.
Good. Then we can get started. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Auntie, I got my math books. Are we gonna use them today?
Uh, Probably not in class, but for the homework, yes. Can I go ahead? Okay, guys. We learnt about what is this? Vihan, you can tell me what is this? How do you call this?
Array.
Array AB. Good job. Is this the same as this? Is this the same as this, Vihan?
No,
Why?
because point A should be going to point B. Point B is going to point A in this one.
Very nice. That's right. What is this arrow?
Um, a line segment.
What is this arrow?
A line.
A line. Good job. How do you write this arrow? If I say AB, it's written as AB. Make sense? AB, like this. Make sense?
Yeah.
How about this? What is this, Kripa? Yes, Kripa, you have your hand raised. Go ahead. What is this, Kripa? And tell me what is your question.
The thing you drew is a line segment.
Line segment, okay. What do
And
you call this? CG, correct?
yeah.
Okay. Now
And
let me ask you this. Anjali, there is a big round pizza. Okay. Mom, dad, I, sister. We share it. Okay. What is the angle made by the pizza for my sister? Pizza piece for my sister.
Right
What is the
angle.
angle of the center?
Right
Huh?
angle. Right angle.
Right angle. How much is it?
90.
90. Isha has her hand up. What is that, Isha?
I was gonna answer like.
You were going to answer. Okay. Got it. I'm going to ask you some more questions. Don't worry about it at all. Okay. The same round pizza, this time, I'm going to share it with 6 of my friends or 5 of my friends. Okay. What we do is we split it into 6 equal pieces. What is the angle made by the pizza piece for myself? Isha, you answer.
45
Ananya, good to see you, ma. Lovely, good to see you. Good morning.
acute.
I know that it's acute, but how much is it?
45 degrees.
How much?
45 degrees.
How did you get that? Can you explain to us?
Because
What is the entirety of this? Angle around a point is how much? This is the point. Angle around that point is how much?
that is the whole thing is
This is a line. This is another line. So how much is it? How much is it? Your answer was right, but how did you get this answer, lady? Shall I help you?
yeah.
So this line angle, this is a straight angle, right? This is 180. This is another straight angle 180. So both of them combined is 360. Angle around a point is 360. That 360 has been divided into how many pieces? 6
6.
pieces. So 360 by 6. How much is it? Did you say 45?
Yeah.
But how much is it?
360 divided.
60. Vihan, go ahead.
It was 60.
It was 60. Good job. Did you get it, Isha?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose if the same, right, I'm going to split it into 9 pieces. The same pizza, I'm going to split it into 9 equal pieces, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal pieces. Okay. So what is the angle made by a single piece? Anybody can answer.
This is 180. This is 90.
Shreyank, we are just discussing pizzas, okay? A whole pizza has been split into 9 pieces. So what is the angle made by each piece?
360 divided by 9.
Go ahead.
360 divided by 9.
Yeah.
No, 36 divided by 9.
What is it?
36 divided 360 divided by 9
What is it?
equals 40.
Yes, 40. Good job. Okay. Now, I wanted to give an insight. Last week I didn't have time. Actually, I wanted to finish this part as well, but I didn't have time. So, let's talk about 2 rays that never meet. Let's talk about 2 rays that never meet each other. They're never friends. They're not going to meet each other at all. What are those 2 rays called?
Parallel.
Parallel. Please, spelling is important for me. Parallel.
Auntie,
Yama?
I didn't understand this week's race homework.
Rays homework. Okay, we'll go there. A, B, C, D. There are 2 other rays that meet each other at a point O. What type of lines are these 2 called?
Perpendicular.
No, it's not perpendicular.
Intersecting.
Intersecting. Sect means is to cut. S-E-C-T. That word means to cut. Inter means go across. Go across and cut each other. Intersecting. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, there are two rays again. Okay, this is AB. This is CD. Okay, you know what they do? They make a T or a L. See there? They make a T or a L. What are those called? Perpendicular. If you don't remember the name, please. Perpendicular. Got it, guys? I'm going to ask you a challenge question. Vihan or Shankari. Let me get the answer from you. All perpendicular lines intersect. True or false? Only one at a time. Only one at a time. Go ahead, Vihan. All perpendicular lines intersect. True or false? What do you think, Vihan? Okay. Shall I ask somebody else?
Auntie, can we answer in chat?
Yeah, you can answer in chat. Always, ma. So that I can see what you are thinking. If your name is called out, you don't have to worry. I'll always see. The first one is what we are working on. Please don't answer the second one. All perpendicular lines intersect. I really understand who understood, who didn't understand. So this is really helpful if you can answer in chat. I will reply to you in chat. Go ahead. All perpendicular lines intersect. Okay. Keshav, you want to answer or can I give the choice to Avyukt? Avyukt, you want to answer all perpendicular lines intersect, true or false?
I already answered.
What is that, Avyukt?
I think it's false.
Okay, you think it's false. Why you think it's false? Anjali also thinks it's false. Aru thinks it's false. Think about perpendicular lines, guys.
Miss Priya, I was answering. I think it's true. True.
Let me go ahead, Vihan. All perpendicular lines. I'm thinking about perpendicular lines, right? These are perpendicular lines, right?
Yeah.
All these are perpendicular lines. Avyukt, Aru, Anjali, what do you think? Do they intersect or not? Kripa, what do you think?
No.
Are they not meeting each other?
Well, the way you drawn it, no, they're not meeting each other right now.
What is it?
Like, they're not intersecting. So like.
Intersecting means no, I am asking about these two are perpendicular lines. These two are different pairs of lines. I am only asking about the perpendicular lines. These two are perpendicular. This is one line, this is one line. This is one line, this is one line. This is one line, this is one line.
So they do intersect?
Yeah, all perpendicular lines do intersect. Aru, did you get it? Okay. All intersecting lines are perpendicular. Is that true or false, Aru? These are all intersecting lines. These are all intersecting lines. Are they?
False.
False. Good job. Some intersecting. See, these two are intersecting lines and they are perpendicular. They make a T. Here, these two meet each other, but they are not perpendicular. So this is false. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is one thing that I wanted to discuss. Kripa, can you share the screen and show me what you did not understand?
No, I just don't understand the homework.
Please take up the homework, share the screen and show what part did you not understand. I'm more than happy to help you. But you have to tell me where, what. You can share the screen. Open the document, share the screen and show. I will help you.
Okay, let me
Yeah.
That's the Auntie, can you see my screen?
1 second, ma'am. Checking. Hold on. Okay, yes. Which one? Good job. Good job. Very nice, Kripa. Very nice. This is the nicest way. Okay. So where did you not understand?
I just don't understand the homework. Like, I don't understand these student ones, and like, I asked my sister for help, but sometimes I still don't get it. So, like, I don't
Okay.
understand the homework.
Yeah, but you can't say like this. Which are the questions where you had trouble with? I want to see the type of questions where you had trouble with.
Well, I had trouble with these type of questions.
Okay. So,
Sure.
good questions, Kripa. I really like that. So now, what type of a line? Emma, please don't take that off, ma. Please open it. Okay. So, what type of line is this, guys? And what type of line is this? I will call this as a standing line, but that has a different name. This is a sleeping line, but it has got its own mathematical name. What are those lines called?
Standing near slavery?
No,
Horizontal
this
and
is for your understanding. I'm saying standing and sleeping. What lines are
horizontal
they?
and vertical.
What is it?
Horizontal and vertical.
Ah, that's what you know, right? What is the problem, Kripa? You are answering everything, but you're asking. This is horizontal, correct? This is a horizontal line. This is a vertical line, right? Right? So how
Yeah.
many angles are here, Kripa? This is an angle. When two rays meet, we did discuss that they make an angle. When two rays meet, they make an angle. How many angles are there, Kripa?
I did this part. It's just saved in a file. I don't understand this one. Number 4.
Who drew a house next to a street that is shown by a vertical line? You tell me. Who drew a house next to a street that is shown by vertical line? You tell me, Kripa, what is the answer? Or Isha can as well answer this. 4 students in Mr. Jones' class drew these maps. Okay, which of these kids drew a house next to a street that is shown by a vertical line? Isha, go ahead and help us out.
Nick.
Nick. Yeah, this is a vertical line and the house is next to it. Yes, so Nick, this is far away from the vertical line. This is somewhere on that slanted line. This guy drew the house near Elm Street, which is slanted. So Nick was the person who drew it next to the vertical line. Any questions, Kripa? What other
No,
questions you have? Come down.
no, I don't have any other questions.
Okay, no, wait. Fifth one is hard. Okay, next. Okay, I want Ananya. Fifth one. Ananya, you also had trouble with this numbers, right, Ananya?
My sister told me this one.
No problem. Ananya, you also had trouble with this, right, Ananya? Okay. Fifth one, why don't you answer? 4 distinct points are shown on the number line below. How many distinct line segments have 2 of these points as endpoints? That's a good one, actually. How many distinct line segments have 2 of these points as endpoints? That's a good
Auntie,
one, guys.
can I explain?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, like, this wouldn't be a line segment because it's a ray.
Mm-hmm.
This part would be a line segment because it has 2 endpoints.
Good. So a line segment, what is a line segment? Line segment is something that starts with a point, right? Starts with a point. So you have to starting point is a point, right? So I'll start with this point and then see how many line segment can I draw. 1, it stops here. Or I can do 2, or I can do 3. And then what? Now there are
And
3. What next?
and then there is X and Y is a line
Exactly.
segment.
I start with X now. Okay. Then I draw another 2 lines. Okay. one to y and one to z, but then I cannot take x and w again because it's already taken. So I can't take that same thing. So how many did we draw now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last one is from y to z. 6. Make sense? Make sense, guys? Good. So you need to figure out a lot of these things. Okay, these are just based out of what we studied though. Can you go ahead, Kripa? Go with other questions that you did not get it. A lot of questions need thinking. Okay, I will not teach, oh, this is how you need to do if this question is given. That is not going to be given to you.
I don't understand number 6.
Go ahead, go ahead. Point B. See, we learnt about a point, right? I said a capital letter is used to indicate a point. See, point B, you have to sit and draw. You have to figure out these things. Points B lies between A and C, right? And all these 3 points lie on AC. Okay, all these 3 points lie on AC. That's correct. I've drawn. Did you draw, Kripa? If you draw, you'll get it actually. Which of the following is not true? Point B lies on segment AC. Correct. Point C lies on ray AB. AB is not a ray, first of all. AB is a line segment. So this is wrong. Point A lies on ray BC. Point A, line segment BC, first of all, it's not ray BC. Done, gone, no. Point C lies on, point C lies on, this is not a line at all. AB is a line segment. It is not a line. So the only answer is A.
Priya,
Yes.
can you explain number 7?
Absolutely, yes. Okay, now somebody is going to help me now.
Priya,
I'm not going to tell the answer because these seem to be too easy and you're asking again.
Miss
Abhi, you
Priya.
want? Yes.
So number 6, it's not A because the question says which of the following is not true.
Okay. Which of the following is not true? Okay. Let's go ahead.
And
Go up, go up.
the question it says line.
Okay,
Like
let's
if
go
you
up,
go
please.
up, it says
Maybe I did not see the knot. I'm sorry. Go up, guys. Good of you. Good
it
catch.
says line AC.
Let's do this now.
I don't get that part because there's 3 that is not true and there's 1.
Yes. That's the feeling I am also getting. Let's find out. Correct, Kripa. 3 were not true, but let's see. Something was wrong then. Point B. Amma, don't do this, ma. I don't want it bigger and stuff. This is fine. Okay, whatever size you had was fine. Okay, let's go ahead. Point B lies between A and C. Let's go ahead and try that. This is A, this is C. Point B is here. And all 3 lie on line AC. AC is a line. Did you see that?
Yeah, that was I was telling.
AC is a line. Okay. Which of the following is not true? Good catch, Avyut. Point B lies on segment AC. That is correct. I feel that's correct. Okay. Which is not true. Okay, I forgot about this. Then this is a very common mistake in STAR as well. If there is a not statement, we have to oblige. See, that really anybody can see and make a mistake of not seeing the not. Okay, point C lies on ray AB. First of all, this is not ray AB. This is ray BA. That's what I'm seeing. Point C lies on ray AB. No, I don't think it's right. Point A lies on ray. BC is a ray. Point A lies on ray BC. I don't see that right as well, honestly. Let's see. Point C lies on line AB. Point C lies on line AB.
Can you look at the answers like at the end?
Yeah, go
Because
ahead.
that's where the
Look at the answer at the end. The question seemed to be malformed. Can you go to the answer? I still feel B, C, D are incorrect, guys. Let's go see. Go down.
Maybe they accidentally, it was a printing problem or something.
I'll check, ma. Go back, guys. Go back to the question, ma, Kripa. Good thought, Avyukt and Kripa. Nice that you're bringing these up. Go up.
6.
Kripa, go, yeah, 1 second, ma. 1 second. Point A lies on ray BC. That's not correct. Point C lies on line AB. That is also not correct. It's not a line AB, right? Yeah, point C. 1 second. This is a good question. I want to check. Okay, I don't want to say I'm right as well. Okay, what is the next question? I'll come back to this question. Don't worry at all. Go ahead. I'll come back to this question. Looks like the question is malformed. I need to correct the answer key there. Okay, it should ask which is true because not true is all the three, I feel. Wait, let me erase my writing up there. Okay.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
could I explain number 7?
1 second, guys. 1 second. So point B lies between A and C. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Number 7, you want me to explain?
I
Let's
want to explain.
Yeah, go ahead.
Miss Gunther drew angle GHI and chord as shown below. What term describes the sides of angle GHI? So GHI
Hey, guys, I really want you to mute.
this.
If you're talking there, I want you to mute, and it's better not to talk during the class as well. Go ahead, Kripa. Go ahead.
And so GHI goes like this. So then this is an acute angle.
So which term describes?
But this is a ray.
Correct. So which of these is the answer? A, B, C, D?
D.
D, because see, this is basically a ray. Okay, we'll go back to number 6 ma again. I really want to see that question again. So this is a ray. Okay, go back to question number 6. Go back to question number 6. Point B, let me redraw that. Point B lies between AC. AC are not points, okay? It just goes. Point B, this is a point, okay? Lies between AC. All 3 points they have given lie on AC. Which is the-
I think there's 2 more points.
Point C lies on ray AB. Point C lies on ray AB. Point A. What is that? What is that you said, Ma? Go ahead.
I think there's 2 more points. Like where the A is, there's another point A, and then there's another point C because it said point B lies between point A and C,
Mm-hmm.
and then all 3 points lie on line AC.
Point B lies between points A and C. Okay, wait, guys. Give me a minute, okay? I'm not able to take in, guys. Okay, the way it's worded, I'm not able to say that was true.
Annotate.
Yeah. Annotate, no problem. Point B lies between points A and C. It's given points A and C. And
I
all 3 points lie on A. Oh, I see. Which of the following is not true?
I read this problem many times while I was doing it. I still didn't understand it.
Let's see, ma. Point C lies on ray. Lies on ray AC. See, this is not AB ray, right? Point A lies on BC. Point C lies on AB. Okay. AB is not a ray, first of all. Go to paper slowly. 1 minute, guys. I'm checking for you. Please, please, please don't. Okay, I'll come back to this, guys. I'll tell you whether it is a malformed problem or it. See, I don't think all the three are right. Because then the wording should have been different, is what I feel. Point A lies on ray BC. See, definitely C is incorrect. I agree to that. Okay, point A lies on ray BC. Ray BC means this is your ray. Okay, this is the starting point. A is outside of it. That is wrong. However, point C, this is point C. Ah, I see.
That's supposed to say true instead of
Yeah. Point C lies on ray AB. This is okay. AB, if you take it as a ray, meaning if you think AB is going forever, then C lies on AB. The direction is correct. Wait for the last one. Let's see the last one. Is it making sense? Let's see. Ma, please don't draw like this in between. You want me to call out the person? I don't want to. Point C lies on line AB. Point C lies on line AB. That also seems true if you think about the full line. Okay. Point C lies on ray AB. Okay, guys, let me explain this to you. What was the answer? C was the answer, right? Was C the answer, Kripa?
I don't know because everyone
Says
froze.
yes. Okay. Avik says yes. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. See here. Point B. Yeah. See, the thing is, point B lies between A and C. Okay. Okay. A and C. We don't even know whether A and C are points. Let's read it. And all 3 points, okay, all 3 points lie on line AC. They extend in both the directions. Okay. Which of the following is not true? Let's see. Let's analyze this nicely. Point B. This is a very nice question, guys. Point B lies on segment AC. What do you all think? AC is what? It's a line segment, right? AC is a line segment, right, guys?
Yeah.
AC, 1 second, guys. Point C lies on point B lies on segment AC. Yeah, AC is a line segment. Point B is on AC. This is true. Okay. Point A lies on ray BC. If you think about the whole thing, this can be taken up as a ray. Point A is outside. B is your starting point. A is outside. So this is not true. Then what are they saying? Point C. This is our point C lies on ray AB. AB is a ray. If you think about the arrow, the starting point, AB is a ray. Okay. If B is going on forever, because this has an arrow at the end. So if we think B goes on forever, then point C, yes, definitely it lies on AB. Okay, here the only thing what we mistook was ray AB. You see, they can't call it as ray AB. They should have called line segment AB was what I concluded. But when you think about it, see, they also said the line AC, right? So you can take this full thing as a ray. It's correct. The direction is as well AB. So it can be taken as a ray and point C lies on it. So this is true. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. 1 second. So this is true. The last one, point C lies on line AB. See, if you think of these 2 points, it's a segment. But when you see, they said that the line AC is extending forever. So if you think of the line AB, point C lies on it. That's as well true. So C is the only incorrect answer. This was a nice question though. Are we all in sync?
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
I have a question, but it's not on the rays one. It's on the geometry final.
Well, you wait, Manjali. Go ahead, Kripa. What are the other questions?
I don't have any other questions.
Any other question? Now, Anjali, go ahead. What is your question?
My question is on question 19, but it's on the geometry final.
Okay. Okay. You want me to open, or Kripa, would you like to open the geometry question number 19?
Yeah, the angles one.
Yama, can you or should I?
I can do it.
Sure.
This one?
Kripa, are we clear with the questions that you had, Kripa, on the first assignment?
Yeah.
Yeah, but good catch. The sixth one was really tough. Go ahead. Open that much. Question number 19. Let's go over that. You can as well explain to me. One of you can explain to me the
Is
answer.
19 or 90? 19.
Kripa, I really appreciate you sharing and showing us. Good job. What was the question number, Anjali, again?
Question 19. It's the
19. Let's go over this.
19.
Yeah, she's on 19.
Yeah.
Yeah, when a line is drawn, see, line means goes forever. Everything is important, guys. Line means goes forever. From point E to point G. Okay, in the figure below, I'm drawing a line from E to G. Okay, which is true about GEF? Which is true about this angle?
GEF in obtuse angle.
What is GEF angle? What type of angle is GEF?
Obtuse angle. Obtuse.
That's the right answer. What is your question, Anjali?
Got a bit confused on that because
Now you got it. It is not a cute angle. Cute angle is always less, right?
yeah.
A bulky stomach is the obtuse angle, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is the bulky stomach, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's an obtuse angle.
Angles now.
Got it? Okay. Any other questions, guys?
I don't have any.
Ananya, did you have any questions? Yeah, I'm listening. Go ahead.
In the geometry one, it's in geometry.
Good, guys. It is important to voice out whatever you have. You have to develop that. When you go to college, nobody is going to come and ask you. You had questions. Go ahead. Srimitran, go ahead. In geometry, question number what?
50.
Go to 50, ma, if you don't mind, Kripa. Sorry, Kripa. Otherwise, I will do. It is important to tell out your questions. Nobody is going to care or say, hey, what question do you have after 5 years from now? Go ahead, 50. Let's do this.
I didn't understand this one either.
Okay. Okay. So they are asking which figure has only two parallel line segments. Okay. Let's do this, please. Okay. What are parallel line segments? These two are parallel, right? Right?
It's number 4.
Let's see. What is this? This is another set of parallel line segments, right? Right? And again, this is another set of parallel line segments. This is a lot of parallel segments, right? So this is definitely not the answer. Do you have any parallel line segments in this? Do you have any parallel line segments in this?
No.
No.
Do you have any parallel line segments in this?
No.
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 See, 1, 2. These are the two line segments that are parallel. So which is the answer, ma? Srimitran. Which is the answer?
4.
4. Did you understand why?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions you all had?
But Auntie, it says only 2 pair. Oh, I thought it meant 2 pairs.
Only two parallel line segments, right? Kripa, am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we move on? Okay, guys. Thank you for sharing, ma. Let's go ahead. Isha raised your hand. What is that, Isha? Isha?
Oh, I didn't have any question.
Okay. Let's move on. Okay, ma. Thank you for sharing. Can I go ahead with my things?
Yeah.
Yes. Your class actually time flies, guys. Okay. Okay. You know what and all I prepared for today? Okay. Yes, Adya. What did you want to say?
I wanted to ask about math on.
Ask about what?
Math on.
What is that?
Wait, give me a second.
Adya, I don't get you. What is that you're talking about? Tell me.
MathCon.
MathCon. Yeah, what is your question about MathCon?
When do what's the day after the window will be open for the test?
Oh, wait. The practice test opens on September 7th.
Okay.
Okay. For the following 16 weeks, you will have one test a week.
Okay.
You got it? For the following 16 weeks, you will have one test a week. So in March 2027, they'll have a final test.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, thank you.
No problem. Okay, let's go ahead.
Yeah.
So, Yama.
Can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, go and come back quickly. Okay. What are the two given points on this line? Ananya is off there. Shreyank, what are the two given points on the line?
A and C.
A and C. Good job. So points are denoted by a single capital letter, correct? Line segments raised are denoted by two capital letters. Okay, how do you denote this? How do you denote this? I want to denote this one, whatever is shaded. What is this? What is shaded? What are the ways you'll denote this? Huh?
Angle B.
Angle B. Okay, Avyukt, you can answer. Shankari, you can answer. What are the other ways of denoting B? Shankari is off to the bathroom. Avyukt is not there. I don't know where he is. Vihan, tell me. Tell me, Vihan. You're muted and you're talking to yourself. We can't hear you. Unmute and talk, Vihan. What are the other ways? Isha, you can tell as well.
Is angle.
Angle.
It's
How do you denote this B? Kripa, your thoughts. Akshara, your thoughts. How do you denote this angle?
What does denote mean?
Denote means refer to.
Oh, B. An obtuse angle?
That is an obtuse angle, but I'm asking, hey, what is your name? If I ask you, you'll say Anjali, right? How do you say the name of angle B? This is one way of telling it. What are the other ways? A, B, C. B should be in the center, and I can go in the clockwise direction, in the anti-clockwise direction, or I can go in the clockwise direction. How? C, B, A. I can either use this, or this. Any questions?
No.
There are three ways of referring to angle B. Okay, how about this? Who can tell me this? What are the three ways of referring to this angle? Srimitran, tell me. Shreyank, be ready with one more. Avyuk, be ready with one more. Quick, guys.
Angle O.
Angle O. What is the next one?
Angle AOT.
AOT.
And angle TOA.
TOA. Good job. Let's move on. I'll be asking a lot of questions now. Okay. How about this? How about this? Okay. Okay. I have this. 1 second, guys. I'll be asking a lot of questions. One second, guys. I need to draw this. Be patient. I'll ask you questions. Okay. Here we have the diagram. Okay, guys. We have the diagram here, right? Okay. Now, angle ABD can also be referred as what? Who is going to answer? Shreyank, do you want to answer? Angle ABD can also be referred as what?
DBA.
DBA. Good job. The center should be the B. Good job. Very nice. Okay. How about angle CBA? Angle CBA. Or I can write it out as like this. CBA is the same as what?
ABC.
ABC. Good job. Very nice. Okay. Now, let me ask you this. This is what I have. KLM. KLM. Okay. Okay. I'm talking about the ray LM. Okay. Ray LM.
Auntie, I have a question.
Go ahead.
If we have these arrows, would they also have a letter?
You can call this ray as LM. You got it?
Okay.
The arrows need not have a letter associated with them. You can just call this ray as ray LM. You can just call this ray as KM. Did I make sense? Kripa, did I make sense, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now I have a question for you all. The question is this. Okay. Um, I am talking about the ray LM. I am talking about the ray LM. Can you name the ray LM in a different way using the given points? Can you name it in a very different way? I want you to name the ray LM in a different way. Is it possible to name the ray LM in a different way? Shreyank, what do you think?
No.
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 Okay. Can I name the line KM in a different way? The line KM in a different way?
Yeah.
How?
MK.
MK. See, line has both the directions, it goes on and on. It can be, but ray has to start on L and meaning has an arrow on M. That can't be written as ML like this. Then it becomes M is the starting point, L is the arrow point. That can't happen. You get it? So LM is never equal to ML because one is an ending, one is a terminating point, one goes forever. That can't be true. Make sense? Okay. Now let's go ahead with more questions. Okay. How about this? You all know a protractor. Do you know how to use a protractor?
Yeah. I do.
You do. Uh-huh. Okay. How about this? Mm, shall I bring a protractor? Let me see, guys. I really want you to learn to how to use a protractor right today. Okay. So just give me a minute. Okay. I want to share something with you.
Should we get projectors too?
No, you don't need a protractor, please. All right. Hold on. Give me a minute. You have to give me a minute. Okay.
Here we go. You must
Just wait. Okay. I have a protractor with me. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Nobody needs a protractor. Please understand that. Okay. You can look at the screen. You're all looking at the screen? Good.
Currently, how many tabs do you have open?
Don't worry about it. Okay. That's my bad habit. Okay. Let's let's go ahead. Okay. It's one of my bad habits. Okay. I just keep open everything. Maybe you want me to close it quickly? No, I don't want to do
Yeah.
that. No, I don't want to do that, wasting my time in class. Okay. Let's go ahead with this. Okay. Let's learn a protractor now. Okay. I want to know what is this angle. Okay. Next time I'll learn from you guys. Okay. Next time I will not have this many tabs open when I share my screen. Okay. So let's go ahead with this. Okay. I'm going to measure this angle. I'm going to measure this angle. How do I measure this angle? You know, the first thing, this is called a protractor. How many of you know that this is called a protractor? Oh, good. I'm glad. Okay. So this is called a protractor. See the spelling. Protractor. You have seen a tractor in a farm, right? Protractor. Okay. Now, let's go ahead. Okay. You know how I position this? The sun has a middle, right? This is so important, guys, when you position. Don't forget this. Vishwa, do you see the sun's middle? Do you see the sun's middle? Yeah, you see it, right? That sun's middle is my setup point. That has to coincide with the vertex. That has to coincide with the vertex.
What?
Yes.
Is it
That has
is it actually called the sun's middle?
no. For you guys to remember, I'm telling that. Okay. So that is, see, the middle is coinciding here. And when you look at it, right, the baseline, guys, let me finish, ma. The baseline has to coincide with your baseline on the protractor. One is the sun's middle. The baseline has to coincide with your base of the protractor. After that, please see in the anti-clockwise direction. From the base, you are going to go to the target. This is your ending. ending ray, terminal ray. This is called the terminal ray. Why is it called the terminal ray? That is the end of the angle, right? Terminal means stopping point. Terminal ray, stopping ray. Okay. So what the reading says, from here go. There are two measurements. See, the base is always your zero. The base is always your zero. That only you need to read. Don't go by these numbers. These don't start with zero. The base has to start with zero. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is the angle here?
59.
50? Can I say 58?
Yeah, it's
58. Please do not get confused with both the numbers. When you look at it, as I said, the base is always your zero. Which is your zero? This is your zero, so you have to follow these numbers.
yeah.
Got it?
Then what is the other top 100 digits numbers for?
Oh, don't worry about it. That you'll get to know in another minute. Can we try? Okay. Now I'm going to ask what is this angle? How to find out this angle? How to find out this angle? Which is your
All
base?
the other ones are obtuse.
That's true. It is an obtuse angle. So your answer should be greater than 90 degrees. That's true. But how do you see? This is your base. The angle on this side. So this is your base. So that zero is in here. So you go on this. Keep going, keep going, keep going to the terminal ray. Where is the terminal ray? Here. What is the answer?
Beep, 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 beep.
So what is the answer?
123.
Huh?
123 degrees.
123 or 122. Correct. Do you get it? Sometimes you'll use this. Sometimes you'll use this. Depends on which side the angle is and your base should be zero. Got it? Okay. So always determine which is your starting point, ending point. Starting point should be at zero. If you want this as your starting point, you should take this. If you want this as your starting point, you should take this. Make sense? Okay. Now I'm going to ask you more questions, guys. Okay. I'm going to erase all of my pictures. Okay. Now Anjali, you're going to give it a try first. Okay. So let me go ahead and draw several line segments. Okay. I'm going to draw several line segments. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Okay. So you're all going to listen because I'm going to ask each of you. You can answer in chat as well. Okay. Okay. My question is, what is you can move the protractor if you want to. What is angle DOE? First question, what is angle DOE? I want Anjali to get started. Anjali, you're going to help me measure. What should I do now?
The D is over. Can I annotate?
You can annotate, but you can also describe to me. I can move the protractor, or you can move the protractor.
So D is over here.
So what should I do with the protractor now?
Put it like the line, the board.
Which is my starting point? Which is my starting line segment?
Oh,
Which is my starting line segment?
oh.
Oh, correct. Line segment means you're telling me about a point. Which is my starting line segment? See, what is my starting point, ending, starting ray? Which is my starting ray? Which is my ending ray? I want this. Which is my starting ray? Which is my terminal ray? This is the starting ray. Yeah. This
D.
is the terminal ray, right?
Yeah.
Good. So O is my sun middle. O is my sun middle. Now, O is my sun middle. What is the angle? Tell me.
Angle between D and O and E.
Hmm.
Angle. So starting at the 0
Hmm.
and then ending at
Hmm.
50.
Which is it?
50.
50. Good job. Now, who wants to take up next question? What is AOB? What is AOB? Bihan, you can take up AOB. I'm going to ask each of you. What is AOB, Bihan? Quick.
So A or B is probably equal to 45. No,
Probably equal to 40.
42. 42.
42. Good job. How? You took this, right, Bihan?
Yeah. So what I did was first, since I could calculate is above 40 and that's the 50, I counted the two lines
Which is 42 and it's closest to 42.
That's nice. So I'm going to ask you more. Who wants to answer next? You can volunteer. Adya wants to answer. Okay, Isha, I'll come to you. What is this angle, ma? Angle AOC. What is that angle, ma?
80?
Which one did you use? This one or this one?
This one. The one that goes into tens.
Good job, because that's your baseline, right? So that's 80. Good job. Okay, now let me ask you this. Who is the next person to answer? Isha is going to answer. Isha, can you tell me what is EOC?
EOC,
Hmm.
that's 100.
That's 100. Good job, lady. Now, who wants to answer a challenging question? The challenge question. If you have answered, I'm not going to ask you. Okay. Avyukt or Kripa or Aru or Akshara? One of you answered. Avyukt, you want to try? Okay. What is COD? What is COD? That's a little different. The starting and ending ray are very different. COD. COD. You are going to explain how you did it after you do. Srimitran, you're keeping too quiet as well. You can as well think about and answer in chat. You don't have to keep quiet at all, guys. I really want to understand who understands. So answering in chat is the best way to make me understand that you understood. COD. COD. Please say COD and then send the answer. Shankari, did you answer already?
What?
Did you send the answer already?
Yeah.
Yeah, just put COD and then send, ma. How will I know that you have answered for COD? Just put angle COD is equal to some value.
Auntie, I answered.
Yeah. Just put COD and answer. That helps me a lot. COD. Good job, Shreyank. COD. Hey, oh, wow. Good job, Akshara. COD, I'm waiting. Isha, it's not 100. No. COD, your starting ray is not at 0. You have to be very careful. I told you it's a challenging question. COD, your starting ray is not a 0.
Is it 50 degrees?
Miss
Huh?
Priya, am I correct?
It's 50
Give me
degrees.
the nice section. Isha, you have to check, ma.
Miss Priya.
Did you get it? Vishwa, what is your answer? Isha, not really Isha.
Miss Priya,
Kripa, get
is
me
it
the answer.
50 degrees?
It's 50 degrees. How did you calculate? See? Isha, that's not correct, ma. See, ma? I'm trying to explain how it works.
I
This
just looked at the angle and saw it was acute, so
uh-huh.
I knew it would be less than 90.
DOE, DO, we are talking about which one we are talking. COD, I asked you, right? So, see, this is your starting ray, this is your ending ray, right? That's your terminal ray. Start and end are different, right? So, from the start, you have to increase. The numbers it should increase 80, 90, 100. So, it goes from 80 to 130. Goes from
Auntie,
80 to 130. From
can I?
130, subtract the 80, you get a 50. 50 is
Auntie,
your angle between this. Let me finish. When I'm talking, if you talk, nobody will understand.
can I go to the
Starting
bathroom?
point indicates 80. Terminal ray indicates 130. Considering you're starting as 80, terminal ray as 130. Always go from the starting to the ending in increasing order. 130 subtract 80, you get a 50. Any questions?
Auntie, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, go and come back quickly. Did you guys get it? Now let me ask you one more question. OAB. Who's going to tell me what is the measure of OAB? One of you, quick.
I could.
OAB.
Can I tell?
Approximately.
Okay.
OAB.
Let us start.
Vishwa, you have the answer, Vishwa.
40.
40. How did you calculate 40? So OAB. OAB means what? Starting is OA. This is your starting ray. AB is your ending ray, terminal ray. So let me start in the increasing order. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 80 minus 40 is 40. Good job. Good job. Very nice. Okay. Now let's go ahead with this. How about this? So you know how to measure angles, right, guys? You know how to measure. Okay, good job. Now let me go ahead and draw it differently now. Wait. I want to draw differently and ask you more questions. Okay, I don't want the protractor here now. Okay, I just want to clear off all. Okay, now I'm going to draw things like this. Okay, I'll make you a little confused. Okay, I'll make you a little confused. I'm going to make you a little confused. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, please see the board. Okay. Please see the board. I have some questions for you. Uh, please see the question. So if I write it like this, B prime. See guys, this is B prime. This is C prime. This is D prime. You got it? That's how we call them, okay? Then how about this?
What's that?
Go ahead. Now, can I ask you, tell me two angles which are exactly the same.
Miss
Tell me
Priya.
two angles that seem to be exactly the same.
Miss Priya, the prime number.
Hmm?
Y, R, and
Prime.
T.
Prime.
Sorry, ma, I did not hear you one at a time. With two
Priya, what
angles,
is prime? What's a prime?
it is we call it, see, we call this as A, right? We call this as A prime
Oh,
or A dash. A dash or A prime. A prime is what you call usually.
oh.
Okay, go ahead. Which two angles seem to be the same? Srimitran or Keshav, you want to answer? Or Ananya, why don't you answer? Which two angles are exactly the same?
Can I circle it?
Yeah, you can. Why don't you shout out? I really want you to name the angles, right?
Is it
T
Y?
R
It was a
and
question to
P
Ananya.
Y.
Hmm?
T R and P Y.
There is no angle TR, ma. This is the problem. That's why I asked you to call out the angle. You cannot call an angle with two capital letters. Your answer is right, but how would you call that angle? This is the angle you're thinking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is that angle called? How do you call that angle?
Okay.
No. There is a name for it, right?
A.
You don't, yeah, no, A means it can be any A. This is A, this is A. You
Miss
cannot use a single letter here.
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go and come back
Miss
quickly.
Priya, is it TAR?
Exactly. You need to use three letters. TAR is the same as what, Mananya? You need to use three capital letters for an angle. Go ahead.
PAY.
PAY. Good job, Ananya. See, naming an angle is a separate skill. Sometimes you can use single letters. Here, if you use single letter A, it can be this, 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 it can be any angle is A. So be careful and name with three letters.
Miss Priya, what if you just say P?
Just say P.
Yeah.
If you just say P, P is a point.
So,
You get it? P is a point. It doesn't mean anything. Line segment is indicated by two capital letters.
so it has
Angle is indicated by three capital letters. You got it? Yeah. Okay. Everybody can call you Anjali. Can anybody call you A and J? No, right? You won't allow, right? Like that, the angles don't allow that. They have to be called by their names properly.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So that makes it all. Okay. So you'll be able to measure angles, right? You're going to spend a lot of time in the homework this week. You know that?
Is it book homework this
Yeah,
week?
it is going to be in the book.
Yeah.
Makes sense? And do you know how to draw it with a protractor? If I ask you to draw, let me clear this out. This is my last part, okay? So how about this? Suppose, 1 second, guys. I'm going to draw. How do you draw angle equal to 80 degrees? Let me bring up, okay? I'm going to put a point here, okay? That is my sun middle. Sun middle, I have to put a point. Okay? I am going to bring up the protractor. I want to draw an angle for 80 degree. Draw angle ABC equal to 80 degree. How do I do that? How do I do that? How do I do that? See, sun middle I have to put. Now, how to draw 80? Who's going to help me? Or you can draw on the board. Who wants to draw on the board? 80 degrees I want to measure.
Can I?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, let's watch. Go ahead.
Can everyone do? Or just one?
Everyone can. Wait, go ahead. Who's going to draw?
Can I draw?
Yeah, go ahead, Vihan. Srimitran is drawing, I think, right? Let me give you the next turn to you. Yeah, that's the sun's middle. Where is 80 degree? Which is the starting ray, Srimitran? First find out what is the starting ray. Which is the starting ray? Vihan, you're going to wait, Vihan. If Srimitran is going to do it, we are going to be patient and we are going to help him. Srimitran, are you going to draw or am I going to ask Vihan to draw? Srimitran, can I ask you the next? That is the starting ray. Okay, he has the starting ray. Good job. That is the starting ray. Where is 80 now? So you have to start with 0, right? Where is the 81? Vishwa, you're not going to do it when I ask Srimitran to do it. Okay, it is important to help each other and then learn from each other. Okay, that's 80. Good job. So you're going to mark it here. Okay. Now you know what are you going to do? Put a point here. Okay, remove the protractor. Remove the protractor completely. Okay. Now draw the line segment from here. Okay, join that point. Where is the line segment? Draw this connecting to that point. Now I asked you to draw ABC. Mark this as A, the middle as B, vertex C. This you have to mark it as 80. Any questions?
Wait, but Miss Priya, you know, over here, why did you draw this when you just used this in?
Yeah, you can do that as well. Okay. If Srimitran has decided, okay, let's say he decided this one as a starting ray, ending ray, right? You know what? You could have done that as well. Both are correct. Okay. If you want to have that side, right? Go to the sun's middle. Make sure the base coincides properly. Oh, sorry. Make sure the base coincides to this. Okay. Then I'll start this as my starting ray. Okay, then which is my ending ray? If we go from here, where is the 0? 0 till 80. So I stop here, I put the point here. Then what do? I take out the protractor completely. Take your pencil to draw the line. Then you know what you do? Connect the point B with this point. Now they're asking me for ABC. In that case, I'll call it as A, B, C. I'll mark this as 80 degrees. Make sense? This is my angle. Make sense? Only thing is you have to mark correctly. If you point this side, then mark this as 80 degrees. You got it? If this side, then mark this as 80 degrees. But you need to name it properly. They are very particular about their names.
So you can do it both sides and they'll equal the same answer?
Yeah, meaning, see, if you mark this as ABC, then you have to mark it like this. Okay, if you want the other way, right, you can as well say this. Both are correct answers. You got it?
Yeah, I get it.
Any questions? Okay, shall we stop here?
Can I go to the restroom?
We'll stop here, ma. Okay. Yeah, how about you're all going to go till page number 14, maybe.
Okay, yeah.
You're going to go till page number 14 in the book for this week.
Is it?
What, ma?
Is it the first book? Is it 4A?
4A till page number 14 will be your homework. Any questions? 7 to 14 will be your homework, but you'll have to spend a lot of time, guys.
I have a question. It's gonna be like computer.
Yeah, I'm here to solve all your questions. Isha, wait and ask questions. Yes. Others who don't have questions, you can log off. Have a nice week ahead. Yes, I'm prepared to listen.
What's the meaning of the prime letters?
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma.
Prime period.
Bye, ma. Vihan.
What's the meaning of the prime?
Thank you.
Wait, Vihan.
What's the meaning of prime?
Wait, Vihan. Okay, now you all have questions. Great. I'm here to solve your questions. Vihan.
What's the meaning of the prime which we
There is
learned
no
earlier?
meaning. There is no meaning. Why do you call this as B? Why do you call this as B? Who said this is B?
Not me.
Who told you that this is B?
No, Miss Priya, I have a different question.
Okay, go ahead.
What is the meaning of the prime? What the
There is
prime?
no
Like,
meaning for it. When you see a dash with a letter, you call it as B prime.
oh,
You got it?
Yeah.
got it.
Then what is this called?
B prime.
Yeah, that's it. You got it?
Got it.
Good question. Any other questions for me, Vihan?
No.
Priya,
Bye. Mhm.
Bye
Yes,
bye. Thank
yes,
you.
are
bye.
we gonna have any computer homework?
May not be. See, I really want to bring up that mental math. I'll see. I think I kept it ready in the summer itself for you. So maybe that one I'll see. But first you need to do 7 to 14. That itself will take time for you guys. 7 to 14.
Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah. Please do fully, ma.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma.
Thank you.
Sure, ma. Hi, Kesha. What's up with you? How are you feeling? Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
Are you learning something new? Nice. Okay. Do you have the book with you?
Huh?
Do you have the book with you?
What?
Do you have the book with you?
What book?
For
These books?
yeah.